be sharing one of my favorite high protein, high fiber, full of vitamin packed salads that I love to meal prep, and I just generally enjoy. It tastes great even after a week in the fridge. It stays fresh, and it's just overall delicious, and it's packed with a lot of vitamins and nutrients that we're not getting on our day-to-day. And so we were just going to give everything a rough chop, no biggie, but we are focusing on fiber and getting as many different colors as we can into this salad. Try to get as much variety as possible. And man, this cucumber reminds me of him. Ooh, I just had flashbacks. But anyway, this is going to help get rid of that gut, get you ready for summer. And it tastes great, and I'm pretty sure the whole family will love it. And whatever you don't like, you can feel free to omit it. These are just some of my favorite vegetables that I like to add to it. And if you don't like spicy, feel free to omit the chili peppers or add less spicy ones. I am a spicy girl, so we always add spice. And the fun part about this is that it is a raw salad, and it's unknowingly vegan. So, add what you want. And this is just the dressing. It's going to be a base of garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil. And naturally, you're just going to season it with some of your favorite things, such as Dijon. You could use things like Italian seasoning, garlic powder, cumin, all sorts of things that are going to be fit for your taste. This dressing is delicious, and those are some jalapenos on top, and you're just going to mix the salad beforehand. And then you're going to top it with your dressing and really coat everything. And this stays crisp and just perfect. Look at the way that soaks that salad. Just thinking about this salad makes me want to make it again. But overall, so good. So great for you. And it's really going to help you get rid of that gut and feel your best. So try this salad and tell me what you think.